Hello, myself Dhananjay Kulkarni from Luna Technology. I am taking care of Maharashtra region as a RSM for sales, and this is the Luna Technology High Win booth. Actually, we are participated in Automation Expo from 2012. So the journey is very good, and we getting good response from these exhibitions. That's why we are participating every year, every time, wherever the automation exhibition is there. Okay, so for this exhibition, we have displayed the high-win products only. You can see this. This is the robot, welding robot we have displayed here, which is for some welding industries applications. Then linear guideways, lot of series are there, HG series, EG series, CG series, MGNR series.